Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my new bag. Well, it's actually not that new anymore because I filmed this months ago when I got it and the footage got deleted. So this is a redo of showing you guys my new bag and I hope you guys like it. So basically there was a long journey to get this bag. So I've been like saving my money for a vintage Louis Vuitton bag. I always like the vintage bags. I think they have such a cool story behind them and it's such a good way of having unique pieces that most people aren't gonna have. The purse that I have is the Louis Vuitton Papillion. And mine is in the size 19, so it's like the mini version. It's the smallest one that they make. So this bag actually comes in a bunch of sizes. When I saw this bag at first, I originally was gonna get the size 26 because that's what I thought was the smallest size, but it turns out they actually also make it in a 28 and a 30, and the 30 is actually available to purchase it new online or in the stores, but sites like The RealReal have the 26 and 28 and rarely have the 19. This style came out in 1966. As you can see, like mine is vintage, but mine's in pretty good condition. I got mine off a seller on eBay, but I did get it authenticated. Like it has on the inside the code where it should be and the right one, and everything checks out. If you are ordering bags on eBay, just be careful of that kind of stuff. The only thing is mine did come, I guess the previous owner was a smoker, so it did have a strong scent on the inside, but I just put like those laundry sheets in it and kept it in for a few days, and it really helped get rid of the smell, and now it honestly has no smell at all. I'll just give you guys a detailed description of the bag. So it's just in the classic monogram print, and since it's vintage, the handles have become like a darker shade of brown, which is nice. When you open it, it just has one like gigantic pocket. There's no inside compartments, and it honestly fits a lot more than you would think. Like my full-size wallet can fit in here with other stuff, like with lip gloss, gum, keys, like everything I need fits in here. And the only thing is that it is like a handbag. Like it can't fit on your shoulder and there's no strap to wear it crossbody. I guess you could add one. It's really cute. You just hold it like this. The only noticeable wear though, this side of circle part has some wear on the leather, but nothing too noticeable. And also the zipper, it still has the Louis Vuitton logo engraved, but you could just see some wear on the zipper, like rusted a bit. But nothing too noticeable and nothing that would stop me from getting the bag because overall it is in really, really great condition. The reason I actually got this bag, I was looking for a really long time for like a one-of-a-kind vintage bag that I felt like really good about, and I saw this picture of Twiggy taken by Bert Stern. I'll put the picture here, and she's holding this exact bag, and I just fell in love with it ever since I saw it. I went on like a mad hunt for this. Like mine came from the seller lived in Greece. I looked every day on every single website, but there's a bunch of websites that sell vintage bags. It's just hard to find the perfect one, and I'm very picky. I also wanted to get it at a reasonable price. I finally found all those things after months of looking. I got my bag, and the bag is actually very like practical and useful. It matches everything. I wear it when I'm going out, I wear it during the day, and honestly I have nothing bad to say about this bag. It is my favorite bag, obviously, that I own. So I know this video was short and sweet, but I really wanted to refilm this video because I'm so excited still about this bag. I still wanted you guys to see it. I also got a bunch of questions about it. I think you guys probably saw it in like my vlogs and also on Instagram. I really do recommend buying vintage bags. I just love knowing that I can walk outside and no one is gonna have the same bag as me. So that's pretty much all I have to say. I know it was short. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Hopefully I can do more like review showing bag videos because I do hope to collect vintage bags in the future and have a big variety of them. That would be interesting to see. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.